We're not quite live. We're not live. Scratch that. Scratch the board.
Now we're live.
Hey, this is the beauty of live television, okay? This is Pete Smith. I believe we are now officially live on the show floor at KubeCon. We are? Yes, we are. Yes, correct? Okay, we're rolling. So, continue with the live stream. Go ahead, introduce yourself. We're here with CloudOps for this session. Please introduce yourself. Absolutely. Who you are, what you do, a little bit about your company, please.
Perfect, yeah. So my name is Will Stevens. I'm the CTO at CloudOps. I was the first employee, and so I've been doing this for a long time, and actually know you guys from back in the day on another organization. So yeah, we've been working together for a long time.
Cloud.com?
Cloud.com.
Oh, yes. Another legacy. All right,
yes,
I love that.
very much legacy. Yeah, so we've been...
Once part of the family, you're always part of the family.
Absolutely.
That's good.
Yeah, so we've been, our mission as an organization is to help organizations own their destiny in the cloud.
Okay.
And so we really do focus around open source and making sure that organizations have all the tools they need to be able to succeed, especially operationally.
So are you consulting services? Are you professional services? Are you delivering technology? Like what's the blend of your...
So yeah, we have traditionally been a service to manage services and basically supporting operations, but we also do professional services and such. So
basically it's all about helping people on-ramp to, essentially containers, Kubernetes, cloud.
Absolutely.
Okay,
Absolutely.
Cool. Excellent, excellent. So shifting gears a little bit.
Yeah.
It's, we're about halfway through day one.
Yeah.
What have you either seen that you really like, from the keynotes this morning, or you've seen on the show floor, or what are you looking forward to seeing over the next couple of days?
Yeah, so I think there's a few areas in the community that aren't necessarily well solved for yet. So I'm definitely keeping my eyes open on some of the more multi-tenancy scenarios.
Okay.
I think that's something that is that still needs a little bit more work to really hit prime time. Really interested in how multi-cluster and multi-cloud are able to come into fruition. I think there's a lot of opportunity there. And then in just kind of more in general, I would say that the networking and storage areas of the they have some challenges in certain use cases, and so there are certain use cases where we definitely need to find better, more mature solutions. So,
yeah. Well, and that came up in the keynote, right? Particularly around persistent storage. That came up this morning.
Yeah.
Sort of put you on the spot a little bit. We announced K3 SGA this morning.
Yeah. Cool.
Rio Beta. Any real-time thoughts on either one of those?
Well, I definitely think that the cloud native at the edge is very much an interesting thought, and the challenge that I see with some of the other players, like I'll pick like Istio for example. There's just a lot of resource requirements in that type of deployment, right? So what I've seen with K3S is that you guys have really been able to focus on doing kind of like a lower footprint and really getting to adding value without necessarily all the resource requirements, and I think that's really interesting. I think there's a lot of interest in that in general.
And we're certainly seeing that as well. And so it'll be interesting to see from your guys' vantage point with your clients and so forth. We're seeing a lot of push to the edge.
Yeah.
It's an emerging use case, but we're seeing a lot of push to the edge, and there's a strong requirement for that light footprint, easy to manage deployment.
Absolutely.
So we're excited about K3S.
That's where the networking comes in too, right? Because that becomes a very challenging part of the equation as you move more and more workloads to the edge. That networking becomes a real big piece of that.
Great point. Last piece.
Yeah.
A little bit more about sort of our relationship, the partnership. Just sort of tell us a little bit about your view from your vantage point, the relationship with Rancher, how we work together, and sort of the problems you see us helping, working together to solve for customers.
Absolutely. Yeah. So we're currently the only platinum partner in Canada, and we've been working with you guys quite a bit on things like Rancher Rodeos, and we're
awesome. Thank you.
In the meetups and that kind of thing. You guys have been supporting us in that as well, and in general, what we kind of default to Rancher as our default cloud native platform.
We like that. We like that too.
Like, you guys have a really good strategy around open source, and you have a really nice balance between the features that people care about, but also not necessarily locking you into a specific cloud provider, where it's run, that kind of stuff. So I think you guys have stayed very true to the spirit of Kubernetes, while also offering a lot of the value that the entire market offers. So whether you're running multi-cloud or running on-prem, I see you guys as being kind of the major one like player to beat in terms of being like an opinionated default for Kubernetes. So
very much appreciate that. We're obviously grateful for all the support you guys are driving. Like you said, you're the only platinum partner in Canada right now, so I know that we've got some big customers north of the border, so that's very exciting for us. Looking forward to continue the relationship, having an exciting 2020, and if next year is anything like the show right now, it's going to be bonkers.
It's bonkers.
Appreciate all the support and look forward to doing more in 2020.
Yes.
With that, that's a wrap for this session.
Awesome.